The matte face of a film has to be loaded on the printer front. Can print 5 colors, CMYKW, including white color, without real black color. Adhesive paper, load at the face up of a printed film, then heating up by heat press. Take the film off from adhesive paper by regular hand speed and power. Cut the edges out of printed image. Heat press job with the proper temperature and time. Cold down garment after heat press job. Distinguish the film from the garment carefully with the regular hand speed and power. Washability can be enhanced with last heating press job. Confirm the printed durability at garment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.